game, Makabiyak versus Binaco. Pizza, rally number 8.
Ayan, 10-11 in favor of Japan. Another 2 points Japan.
Nadepa, Pinasa, Dumirecho, yes.
Ayan, 12-13, 1 point lead, Ikisapat.
Seno,
Diyan maibaga na sinuti, kwada tatagpada ng ablon.
ito ang tawag ni Bakeo. Number. Delivery ka na, delivery. Alberta, Triana, Duireño, yes. James Raymond, Morgan Tempel. Aritos, Molinas, Cateño, lusukan kayo. Napalag mo basketball dito, dito hindi galay-galay tayo. Kami na ito lang doon may pasyayan. Ito na reset na kaya ko. Carlos, wala.
So ayan, 14-13, Marnay.
10 seconds shot clock. Oy! Yes!
Another 2 points, Marnay.
For Marnay. Sa foul, sa pushing foul number 5, second personal foul number 5. Sobre!
Pantalo na mabigan ako. Ha?
Last touch go. Marnay ball, Marnay ball. Belum ada kurang kan? Wala. Marikas ko diri ba?
Ayan, 18-13, Marnay. Another 2 points, Sapat. 15-18, ayan, 3-point lead, iti Marnay.
Yes. Nadepa. Paldos. Alright. Agaw na Parinas. Awalan ka. Tumira. Awalan ka. Binaco. Number 20. Last 15 seconds lang. Awan. Second. Last 21 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. So, 16 out.
Para highlights.
Atepa, tumira. Yes. 2 points only. 2 points. Pareja. Stop shot. Right. Last 5 seconds. Yes. Pakasunod tayo sa number 20.
Ayan, 15-25 in favor po ni Team Marnay. Kumain.
After the ball game. Blue ball, blue ball. Marnay ball.
Ready. So,
Okay.
Talagang Guadenas 28-15 in favor of Marnay. Cortez at rest, very good.
Action for the rebound. Sapat ball. Kalma lang.
Nakagay ayaw mo na, no?
Technical foul on number 11, Sapat. On second motion. Rumah kaya. Technical po ito na. Rumah kaya. One. Jump ball. Sapat ball. Sobre. Number 11 Sapat. And number 10, Mr. Lao Matay. Ines. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Second, 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. And one, it's a foul number 50. Goal shot. 31, number 31, attacking siya. Wala. 11. Kinalwa. Yes.
ngayon, 17:30. Marnay.
Laureta. Pinasa sa loob. Intercepted. Napapagana sa number 15. Pinasa. And our cover. Last touch blue. Sapat ball. Pagtuan ngayon, bumiretso, pinasa, takbo. Sobre, number 11, Mamay, number 7, Sapat. Agdepa to Agdepa. It's a foul, nalabot ng foul. Foul on number 20. First personal foul number 20. Second foul, Martay. Unang tira, wala. Agdepa, isa.
Bukot.
Last touch. Blow. Mamay ball.
Among pa yun.
Laureta. Nagmamadali. Pinasa. Bitawan. Mamay ball. Reset out sobre. Number 15 out for Martay. 15 out.
Yeah, another 2 points. It is a pack. 30-20, 10-point lead. Iti Marnay.
Laureta.
Another 2 points.
Score. 30-21. Ang walang bola. Laureta. Pinasa. Tinira. Time out. Magnay. 2 points lang niya. Time out. Magnay. Time out. Back to the ball game with time remaining. 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Second quarter. Tira naman. Ang bola. Laureta nakakuha. Binato. Score 30-25. 5 points lead. Marlay. Babalik sa sapat. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Second quarter. Cepat. Laureta. Number 10, Sapat. Laureta.
Ayan, 25-30, 5-point lead,
Timeout.
Marnay.
1 minute and 47 seconds. Score 30-25. Next game, Makabiag versus Benaku. Happy viewing to Mr. Erwin at Bayani Balil. Mr. Erwin. Labanan ng ibig. Dalawang ibig. Ibig mo ng rebound. Jimenez. Number 15, Tumira. Shot. Ang piyasa ng rebound. Last 1 minute.
Ayan, 27-32, Marnay.
Rivera. Uy. It's a foul. Foul number 21. Second personal foul, Mr. Ibe, number 21. Red flag. Last 43 seconds. 43. Yes. Score 30-28. Ang bola lang with 32 seconds. 32 Ibarra. To Rivera. Umatake, Rivera. Yes. Yes. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Matip sa lapan. Last 10 seconds. Ines.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Rivera. 4. Sayang. Score 32-30. 2 points lead. Marnay. Nawis kayo kami na po may bulan finals at sa aming na referee, including our commissioner, police captain Alberto Ramos, our lead dancer, Mr. Rene Yadao, and our choreographer is Mr. Joe Patrick Pilarca. Nawis kayo kami na po. Finals. Back to the ball game. Setang ng tila yung nandiyo yung batay na referee dito sa Marnay ball. Marnay, Jebanger. Binawan. Ines! Oy! Anan.
Another 2 points, Marnay. 34-30 in favor po ti Marnay.
Balderos, awan. Salanyo. Last 10 seconds sa clock. Nawala ka. Sa araw. So, ihe. Laksutan. Score, 34-30. Number 10.
Ayan, Chase Favor, 34-35, sapat. Chase Favor ulit, 35-36, Marnay.
Mayang Tilawan. James Trevor again. 36-35. Anak jangan
Chase Favor, 36-37, sapat.
Pinasay sa reko.
Dumagad pa kasi Giant Tank.
Nakita, yung gulong na. Score, 37-36, 1 point lead. It's a foul on number 20, Abdelma, 2 shots. So break, 31 out, Ines out, and number 15, Mr. Ibarrael. Second personal foul, number 28. Sure. Abdelma on the rebound. And Ibe. It's a foul on Ibe. Number. So number 9 up. Marnay, number 9 up. Number 11. Marnay ball. Shout out ka naman po to Mr. Jacob. Sapat. Ay, kung sapat. Marnay lang tayo. Nakatama ko. Balcon. Napiksa. Shout out ka naman po to Mr. Jacob Panigas. Yang sapat. Yes. Pero dahil pasyakan, may toy. Libre. Awang bayad ka. Birthday greetings, magaling ka. Second.
Lamis.
Nabitawan ng bola. Same ball. Last 40 seconds shot clock. Now, ayan na naman, wala na sa pack. Rivera, hindi na yung bola. Yes. Score, 39-36.
39-36. Sapat. Ayan, last 4 minutes left sa ating third quarter. 36-39. Sapat.
Happy viewing also to Mr. Alpi Sabala of Maracay City. Thank you for coming, sir. Thank you, guys. May kamatis mo ba yan? Ano ka naman natin eh?
Doon ang biga man nun, kung ang manalipin. Kaaduna.
Next game, Makabiag versus Binagod. Back to the ball game with time remaining. Last 4 minutes. At salo ba yun ng Aquilano? Makikita ilan. Laureta to Ibe. It's a foul. It's a foul on number 10, Mr. Laureta. First number foul, Mr. Laureta. Yes.
Ayan, 36-41. Sapat.
Third personal foul, first warning, mga magkakabis na tembak. Talutol mo malo. Sabihan.
43-36. Sapat.
Symbols. Sobre. Number 5. 5. Under 5.
Puspos ko jacket ko nabigay.
Last 40 seconds shot lang.
Correct. Naglami is.
It's a foul. Foul na yan. Sobre. Number 10 out.
Busag pa na to. Sa mga pa na to.
Hindi kampay mapapalagay.
Naayon mo lang yun. Parbayo na. Wala naman alas 10. Ayan, another 2 points left to Marinay. 38-43. Zapat. Yun, another 2 points, Zapat. 45-38. Zapat. 1 minute and 15 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Time out. Sapat. Advance congratulations Gayam Marilea graduate nata 20 Batch 2026. Congratulations.
Saganang kay regalo mo!
Kaya kayo ito, tumas palagi kayo, hapo. Atakan lang to. Kung may isang supot lang. Happy birthday also to Mr. Christian Tamba Garcia. Ay pagdibasan, parang dito. Yes.
40-47, Zapat.
It's a foul. It's a foul. On number 31. Maganda. Yan. Jadi even. Hilario. Rewang ni ata It's a foul on number 5. Last warning. Last warning on number 5.
Nagwapo ito ay stepping.
Last 10. Ayan, tiraban ako.
Ayan, 44-47 in favor of Zapat. End of the third quarter.
Announcing the arrival of Mr. Sir Leo Castella. Thank you for coming, sir. Ay, nagagala ko Makabiyan. Tata. Makabiyan versus Binangkot next game.
Marnay. Zapat at kay Marnay
Diyan muna
na.
tayo. Mamay. Stepping on the line. Same ball. Last quarter. Score 44-47. 3 points lead. Announcing the arrival of Jay Guerrero.
Ayan, 46-47. 1 point lead. Zapat.
Marquez. It's a foul on number 21, even. Score 46-47, 1 point lead. Zapat. Third personal foul, Mr. Even, number 21. Pines. Second on the play for Zapat. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Loretta, tapos, Balitos! Yes.
Maala ka man dito.
May isa pa lang. First personal foul na Even. 21, mamaya.
Fif- 52-60, 46 in favor of Zapat. Another 2 points to Marnay. 48-52. 4 point lead. Zapat.
Ay, 48-52, sorry. Seven. Nandiyan. Yeah. 21. Second personal foul, Ibe. Number 21. Shot. Kita-kita shot.
Lalugdog maglaning eh. Na lang ang tawid.
56-50. 16 Sapat. Baltos. Abenya. Tentang kolongan. Time out. Sapat. Skor 56-54. Last 2 minutes ko lang yung tao nyo. Sapat. Last 2 minutes ko lang na. Matadong tao. Biyernes. Ito naman minsan. Chenta. Night match. Back to the ball game. Labanan Ibe. Ibe number 30. Ibe number 31. Ines, Dumerecho. Short. Ang nakinig. Yes. Agota. Sapat. Basketball. Last 10 seconds of clock.
61-52, Zapat.
Baran. Happy viewing to Ma'am Tekla. Yes, thank you for coming, Ma'am Tekla. Kung kilos ka, makita ka. Back to the podium with 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Last quarter score, 52-61. 9 points lead. Zapat. Nakita. At Daniel.
Narayan na kayo.
Yes. Even.
May sak tayo.
Baldos. Baldos. Yes. It's a foul. Basket. Basket. On the way. Pushing foul. Ball shot. Happy viewing kay Balong Justin Yasanya. AKA Gustavo. That's 10 seconds of clock. May foul. May 31. That's 1 minute and 1 second. Short. Even was a rebound. Score 73-55, 18 points lead. Palmeros! Last 22 seconds.
So ayan, congratulations. Japat.
Final